Hesitations about getting started on YouTube. Hello family, Mr. Bince Dollar here. I am delighted to respond to this topic, hesitations about getting started on YouTube. I understand how intimidating this can be at first, as I felt these doubts myself when I was in the preparation phase for this channel. However, let me share with you my experience and what made me overcome these obstacles to follow my passion on YouTube. What really motivated me to take the plunge was the passion that burned within me for tips related to the digital world and online business. This passion pushed me to overcome my doubts and focus on what I want to share with the world. Additionally, I realized that YouTube provides an incredible platform to connect with an audience with similar interests. This gave me the added motivation to create content that could inspire, inform other passionate people like me. I firmly believe that when we do something with authenticity and passion, it shows through our videos, and it can have a positive impact on other people. So, if you have a passion that drives you, don't hesitate to share it on YouTube. It's an incredible adventure that can bring you unexpected rewards and connect you to a community that shares your interests. Subscribe and activate the notification bell. Don't miss any of our exciting and informative videos. If you enjoy the content, give us a thumbs up to show your support. We work hard to offer you the best. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Sharing is caring. And most importantly, leave us a massive review. We love hearing from you and respond to every comment. Your opinion matters, your support means the world to us. Together we can build a vibrant and inspired community. Thank you for being a part of our journey. #Digital Success 2.0